We as human beings, we tend to become reliant on things, and we also forget that they're there. So what comes next? We must learn to trust. And trust means that things should be safe, so no physical danger, and reliable. These things need to be taken into account by design. And we're committed to trying to figure out this missing design science that we need to ensure the safety and security of our infrastructure in the future.
Even if you get rid of cars, the bus emissions are still really high.
These are the things that we're interested in solving, and these are the things that hopefully over the next 20 years we can arrive at a place where computing is calm, where it's serene, and where we can enjoy a safe future and as many good nights' sleep as possible.